Should the native language or local language be the medium of instruction in schools for students up to class 5? That has become a matter of debate now, with the new education policy being discussed, something that is being proposed by the Government of India. So let's look at the two sides. Well, of course, it's ideal to have the students learn in their native language in the classroom, especially in the early years. There's absolutely no dispute around it. There is complete unanimity among pedagogy experts around this issue, and it is an established fact that children are wired to understand in their local language. So why would you then even think of inflicting another language on a child when he or she moves to the learning environment? That's absurd. It's in the fitness of things, it's in the natural flow of things that the child is taught in the home language. Why should it be anything else? And today, with the advent of technology, it shouldn't even be difficult, because imagine if you put the burden of translation on the child, it could be a daunting task for a 3 or 4 year old, because if you speak to the child in any other language than what is spoken at home, he or she would have to do that natural process of translation. And like I said, it can be challenging at an early age, and that would be imposing hurdles in a child's learning process. Why would you do that? We are supposed to make it easy. It's the impressionable age, it's the formative years, it's the confidence building years. Rather, that same burden of translation can be put on the teacher. So even if you raise an issue about how would you have teachers all the time who are familiar with a particular local language, it would put a lot of constraints, especially in metros. But now, with the advent of technology, these things should become easy. So there can be no further excuse not to implement this policy. And with the proliferation of English medium and schools in this country, let's be very clear that our regional languages are suffering, are not getting their due. The new generation is not able to appreciate the beauty of their own native language and culture, which is so sad. So this can be a healthy move then, to instill a sense of pride in one's own native language and culture. And what's on the other side? Well, on the other side, again, we have to remember that India is a very different country. It's a very diverse country. You cannot have a blanket rule imposed pan-India. It does not work like that over here. We know that our towns and cities have people from different linguistic backgrounds. People are multilingual. Speaking in 2-3 languages is just so natural, especially in the metros. So therefore, to have a system where only the local language will be the medium of instruction, we do understand that it doesn't mean you'll have to write in that particular language. It simply means that the teaching process will be done in that language. But even so, it will be very difficult to implement, say, in a place like Mumbai. In one classroom, there may be children from 5 different linguistic backgrounds or regional backgrounds. How are you then going to expect a teacher to reach out to all of them in 5 different languages? It's not going to be practically possible. Also, to have the regional differences surface so early in life in a classroom may be counterproductive, because the learning environment is supposed to be inclusive, cohesive, and for children at a very early age to be made conscious of their regional differences. Is that a good idea? Something to think about. And also, again, in this country, children are conditioned to speak different and multiple languages. That's how the system has worked. That's how things have worked so far. So if we want an overhaul in that system, it would require a mindset change, because parents also have this impression about, for instance, say, English being the aspirational language. No parent wants to deprive their child of being conversant in the language that the world speaks in. So this kind of a move may meet with a lot of resistance from parents. So to build consensus, again, is extremely important. That looks like a tall order for now. Well, those are the two sides. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think.